What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is the PS app is not available in your region, in your country, on your PlayStation store, or sorry, not the PlayStation store, on your Apple store or Play Store on the Android. So I have already video on the Apple store, but I don't have the about the Android. So I'm just going to show you how to fix this kind of error on the Android. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. So you just got there on your Play Store, and here you just search it and you're not getting the application. So what to do, you just go there on the profile, and then you just go to the payment and a subscription. Just tap on the payment and a subscription. Here we go. You tap on the payment methods, and here we are. Just simply then go to the more payment settings, tap on the more payment settings, and you get there. You simply just get there, and here you got the three lines. Just tap on the three lines here and then go to settings, addresses, settings, and here is, you will get here, and there is a country and a region. You must change your country and a region to the United States, to the US. Then you will get the PS application on your Play Store. So simply after changing, get back to your Play Store here, and then you just search the PS app. You will get there. You simply just download it and install the PlayStation application. Here we got. So simply that's how you can download the PS application on your Play Store, on your kind of Android stores. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.